While the COVID-19 vaccine is now becoming available, it is still critical to continue to practice preventive measures to stop the spread of the virus. These include limiting gatherings, social distancing, and wearing a face mask. Also, early testing is an important tool for slowing the spread of the virus, and in January this year, a no-barrier testing site opened for anyone needing a COVID-19 test in Clark County.
The sooner we know that somebody's a case, the sooner that we can work with them to make sure they're isolated, identify who their close contacts are, and have the close contacts quarantine themselves so that if they get sick, where they expose other people.
The free COVID-19 testing site features drive-through and walk-up service. The site is located at the Old Tower Mall, 5403 East Mill Plain Boulevard in Vancouver.
We want to support the community-wide response to COVID-19. The city had a site that was available. It's very centrally located in Vancouver. So the city wanted to step up and assist with public health and getting out this program to the community.
It peels back from both sides, just like that.
Visitors to the site will self-administer the test under the observation of a trained staff member. The test is done by a saliva-mouth swab, which should not cause discomfort. Testing is recommended for ages 4 and older, and pre-registration is advised.
We're asking only people who have symptoms, for example, fever, cough, shortness of breath, or who've been had exposure to somebody who has COVID-19 to be tested. It's not recommended for people who don't have symptoms or haven't been exposed.
Curative, the lab processing the results, will contact you by text or email within 3 days. At the site, information is given out to explain what to do while waiting for the results and how to proceed if you test positive.
If you get the results back as positive, you should be isolated. You're a confirmed case of COVID-19, and you're considered contagious from 2 days before symptoms begin until 10 days after the onset of symptoms. And when I say 10 days afterwards, your fever is gone for at least 24 hours without taking any fever-reducing medication.
Clark County Public Health will also follow up with a call about the importance of isolating and notifying close contacts. Safety is a top priority on the site. Face coverings are required for visitors, and staff will wear appropriate personal protective equipment and follow physical distancing.
We really want this testing site to meet the needs of everyone in the community. No one will be turned away based on their residency, immigration status, or insurance. We also have folks available on site that need language support, and we'll work to meet your needs. We don't ever want to turn anybody away from the COVID testing site.
Partners for the COVID-19 testing site include the City of Vancouver, which manages day-to-day operations, Clark County Public Health, Clark Regional Emergency Services Agency, and the Washington State Department of Health. In the first month of operation at the site, more than 4,000 people have been tested, and about 12% of those have tested positive for COVID-19.
Identifying cases early and identifying people who might have been exposed to them is a really important component of fighting COVID-19. We're still having high levels of the infection in our community, and anything we can do to identify cases and reduce exposure to other people is really critical, and testing is a big part of that.
For more information about the free COVID-19 testing site and to pre-register for a test, go to clarkcountycovidtesting.org.